Mashallah, my grammarians are at it again. Are you seeing this makdi? I'm saying, beta, makdi ke barabar, third line pe mark karo. And they're on and on about, Miss Bakri is a goat. Bakri is a goat.
Miss Bakri is makdiyan.
Bakri isme makdiyan nahi hoti, bakriyan hoti hain. Future generation ka kya hoga? So guys, this is the third time I am recording this because they keep shouting some atrocious crap at the back. My grammarians had a rally yesterday. And I asked them, I said, "Kya hota hai rang mein?" So they're like, water balloons and rang and colored water and like snail spray and confetti. And while one kid is saying this, so the other non-grammarian says, "Balam Pichkari." Thank you. I'm not taking the name of the school anymore because people think I discriminate, but I love these kids. I'm just saying. So I was teaching an example. I said, "तुम लोगों ने Gulf देखा है Gulf को?" What I meant obviously was the mall, but they're like, "Yeah, Gulf is in Arabia. Like all Arabian Peninsula is Gulf. Gulf Shopping Mart. तीन तलवार वे कायदे आज़म के तीन चीजें लिखी थी: Unity, Faith, Discipline. You know who Qaid is? Sure. Not just talking about the Queen of England.
He's the one on the money.
Yeah, he's the one on the money, the Pak rupee, not Lincoln on the dollars.
See, I always wanted to do that guy on the Pakistan.
I apologize. ये लोग इतने डॉलर और पाउंड्स के आदी हैं, तो he's like is Allama Iqbal on the 5,000 rupee note. And I said, "You don't even know," because I haven't looked at it. Jaji and Mommy gave you $100 a quid.
No, we खुला रखते हैं ना.
खुला करके देते हैं.
खुले पैसे रखते हैं.
हजार. First of all, I would like to thank God for giving me. I would like to thank God for giving me this opportunity to be on stage, which is very low, but still, and won the Best Actress award. I think no one doubted that I would win the Best Actress because I'm a dark. Please. I would like to thank my loving husband in the crowd. I love you, babes. I love you, John. And my darling children, if you're watching this, go to sleep. Mommy's won the award. We're going to be very rich. Thank you to all my supporters, my fan, my director. Please give me more opportunities, my director. I would like to. And thank you very much, Javed Akhtar. I will not be acting in your movie. Thank you. Thank you, the Academy, for giving me the opportunity. Give me the piece for the basic one thing. I just get it over my life. I actually want to educate in my life. Music was the school's name, guys, but I'm sure you all know who this is. Hush. कि बेसिकली हम बात कर रहे थे कि साइकोलॉजिकली ग्लोबली जो है अदरक की जो बदबू है / खुशबू है वो इंटरनेशनली रोमांटिक सेंट मानी जाती है, ठीक है. लेकिन जो वन ऑफ माय किड्स है कि आपने पूरे अदरक खाया है, मैंने तो वसाबी खाया है. स्लो की स्लिपिंग इन दैट यू गॉट मनी ब्रो.
But it's just disgusting. Wasabi is good to eat.
तुम अपने कोरमे में वसाबी डालते हो हैं? वसाबी का सालन. स्कूल का नाम लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. माशाल्लाह, पोस्ट क्लास chilling sessions happening. Saturday morning shenanigans. So I was teaching my students consumer psychology. उसके अंदर मैंने कहा कि हाँ आपको पता होना चाहिए कि बिस्मिल्लाह किरियाना स्टोर कहाँ पे है. So one of the students said कि हाँ बहादुराबाद में है बिस्मिल्लाह किरियाना स्टोर. So a particular student of a particular institution, they not taking it. Stop it. So said कि I didn't understand a word he said. मैंने कहा of course you want to know what kiryana. Oh, now it's attention. Do you know what kiryana means? Exactly. Do you know what Bhadrabad is? Where's Bhadrabad? He's doing this. On the bridge, down the bridge. I love these guys. The only place we've been out of defense is Sadar. That's why, because their middle school was there. Mashallah. Come down to class and I see this happening. They want me to remove the fan so they can play the game. जी कि वो बहादुराबाद कहाँ पे है? They said KDA के पास है. हाँ, और बताएं और पूछें. कौन सा कॉलोनी? मूसा कॉलोनी. मूसा के पास है. बोरा पीर किधर है? डोंट से पीर के पास. बोरे के पास. अच्छा. यूसुफ गोट. ये होता क्या ना? Goat is a bakri. It's a bakri. It's a goat is a bakri.
Not G-O-A-T, G-O-T-H. Yeah.
What's goat? Camel?
Goat means cow.
Wow. Don't try to go. We're learning Urdu and psychology as well. Very good, very good. And ask him another one more. Mukka chowk कहाँ है?
5 star चौक किधर है?
5 star छोड़ोगे?
Miss, where is my
मुक्का चौक किधर है? Good question. मुक्का चौक किधर है?
स्टोरी खत्म हो गई थी लेकिन one of them said कि you know where Orangi town is?
That was Bayview Kid.
Bayview Kid. Orangi. Orangi. Orang. अच्छा. He said Orangi for you guys so you'll understand it. Where is Orangi town? Don't say next to Orangi. Guys, so one of my, again not naming the school, the kids say कि हम जो है ना, like you were discussing कि when they're late or whatever, so parents क्या करते हैं, तो one of the kids said कि when I'm late, my mom doesn't let me in, she makes me sit in the courtyard outside. अब मैं समझने चाहिए थी courtyard का मतलब क्या है, तो पता है courtyard is like a driveway. तो समझने की कोशिश करती है courtyard क्या चीज है, तो पता चला कि courtyard is the driveway. ठीक है, मैंने कहा तो बोलो driveway ना courtyard है courtyard. So he goes, no, like my outside sitting area. We don't know these rich people issues. We don't have sitting areas out. We sit on the steps or the jhula or the garden with the chuas.
I don't have a garden.
I bet you have a fountain also in your house. You have a fountain in your house where you drink zamzam, no zamzam Allah maaf kare, masafi water, right? Don't say yes.
Even I have like 5-6 fountains.
This is not a fountain.
You live in Behriya. You have Eiffel Tower outside your house. तो बेरिया वाले क्यों compete कर रहे हैं मतलब?
Yeah, a waterfall, not a fountain.
No, it's not a fountain. It's a waterfall.
It's like a pond.
A pond with fish in it. Are there sharks? Once again, will not name the school. Mashallah, पुलिस ने रोक के पूछा कि आपकी तारीफ क्या है? The kids like मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, मैं सच्चा हूँ, मैं मानतदार हूँ, अल्लाह में एक है, मैं मानता हूँ. माशाल्लाह. Let's play. No, I don't play one tip. Yeah. And look at this wicket keeper. I'm just going to tell everybody that my tuitions I have a point to make everybody love Pakistan and be more Pakistani. So no matter which school you are from, which family you are from, or which background you are from, at the end of the day, bro, I'm going to make you eat dum keema and paratha. Solid with achar. Please also look at this, that mashallah, they become so local that they end up putting chini in the mug and shaking it like this when there's no chamcha. Guys, मतलब लेवल चेक करें इन टीनेजर्स का कि हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे इन प्लांट्स का. मैं कही मनी प्लांट के अंदर ये वीड क्यों निकल रहा है? दे लाइक नहीं वीड प्लांट, कोई डिस्कशन हो गया वीड प्लांट के ऊपर. दे लाइक नहीं इनके स्टेम्स ग्रीन होते, इनके फलाई होते, इनके फलाई होते. पता लगा कि मैं बात कर रही हूँ मी बीइंग मी कि वो जो घास में वीड्स होते हैं ना, वीड्स हम निकालते फेंक देते हैं. एंड दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट वीड. व्हाट्स वीड कॉल्ड इन उर्दू? चरस, गांजा. अंदर घर में बिजली नहीं है तो हम आज क्लास बाहर ले रहे हैं. एंड लुक व्हाट आई डिड. Made them sit on the charpai. Charpai is a place where you like sleep also. Palang. It's called like a palang, okay? Okay guys, I don't need to take the school's name, but check out this pre-iftar playlist. And then post-iftar.
No, not this.
पोस्ट इफ्तार प्लेलिस्ट. ओ माय गॉड. पता ना इफ्तार के बाद रमजान खत्म नहीं हो जाती. मालूम था ना तुम्हें ये बात?
I wait for Shazad. I don't care.
I just want to talk about the diversity of my tuitions. There's some people writing on a paper, some people writing in their school notebooks, some just writing on normal notebooks.
You can't be disclosing what school I go to.
Yeah, okay, beta. And then some people writing in like a diary. Like, look at this, I love it. Those are 23 mein, people still writing diaries. I love it. So guys, there's this one individual who didn't come for the past 5 classes. And I said, where have you been? I had the KGS mocks, miss, because बाकी स्कूल के मॉक्स तो नहीं हो रहे, बाकी तो चवल है, बाकी तो पोटी करके आते हैं स्कूल में, सिर्फ तुम लोग ही जाके मॉक्स दे के आते हो, है ना? 1 minute. बेटा, this is not you and this is not the world. मुझे बताओ कि ये do I teach Russian or do I teach you in English? What is this language? How is examiner going to understand your writing? This is how A grade students, everybody लोग नहीं मैं बताती हूँ. A grade बच्चे आते हैं आपके पास ऐसे फेंकते हैं आपको, ये चेक करें, भरम खत्म नहीं हो रहे होते. फिर ये राइटिंग में जाते हैं रशियन में और फिर कहते हैं मिस हाउ डिड यू गेट अ D? This is how you got a D. This is how you got a D. She's not speaking. He/she is not speaking because of her mother follows me. She is scared. जी आपका बच्चा है, बच्ची है. बोल दो नाम. It is so scared. This is how you get a D. मुझे नहीं बोलना D क्यों आया. ये रीजन है. मैंने अपना काम कर लिया है. Oh, so guys, today we were discussing कि fruits पे apparently boycott है because I got these 2 सेब for 225 रुपए. तो my students are like, कि 550 के डजन केले हो गए हैं और मंडी जाए और ये और वो blah blah. So one chick who's not from the particular school, but because she only hangs out with them, she's got their jealousy in her. She was, where are you guys getting your fruits from? I mean, मेरे घर में इतना बड़ा फ्रूट चाट बनता है, इतना बड़ा फ्रूट चाट 400 रुपए का, तुम लोग कहाँ बनते हैं? So I told her कि बेटा तुम 400 नहीं 4000 का बनता होगा, इतना बड़ा तुम्हें पता नहीं होगा. जी, you're making the video, you know who you are. लेवल चक्कर इनका कि आज UC बर्कली के रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं and they're de-stressing with Ludo.
It's both of us.
जितने भी तुम लोग ये हाथ क्या
what is Haris? What is Haris?
The matter is अच्छा you play with each other?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, I also want to play. Guys, जितने भी आप बर्गर बन जाएं, जितने भी आप Ivy League बन जाएं, at the end of the day आप लूडो पर ही आएंगे. या ताश. My students had something very interesting to say today. They were like, what do you study in business? So this other's like, business, Sherlock. So the other one's like, what's the point of studying business from a guy?
Your professor drives a bloody Aqua.
Yeah, your professor drives an Aqua. So what's the point of studying from a guy who's teaching you business but still driving an Aqua?
And he's a teacher.
Yeah, he's a teacher. At least मुझसे psychology पढ़ के तुमने थोड़ी बहुत तो psychoanalysis सीख ली है. लोगों को judge करना. लोगों की handwriting analysis करना.
She's gay.
Guys, I was grading his answer and he already wrote, before I graded it, you're just going to give me a 7 and I'll cry. And then I gave him a 6, bichara. If like a kid randomly just says, Miss, don't judge me or don't think I'm sus, but what is that?
I'm the only one with the location on. My bloody father, mother and sister have turned it off. And you're saying I'm the suspicious one.
Yeah, I'm not. Okay, this is what he said. He said, don't be sus, but I'm just going for coffee. I said, okay, I'm here just checking an answer, random, okay? No, by the way, my mother has my location.
Were you checking it?
Just checking
No,
the
were you
answer.
checking it?
Yes, I was checking the answer and you just kept on. You just gave me the paper. But the point is, if a kid just keeps on saying, oh, don't be sus, my mom has my location, I'm just going for coffee, I'm just going with friend. S बाद में आया. So should I be sus, guys?